No Filipino athlete has ever endeared himself to fans of different generations more than the man who embodied the never say die spirit. More than 2 decades removed from basketball since he stepped out of the game, Joel remains an influential figure in local sports culture. His charisma and enigmatic charm, his mix of finesse and ruggedness as a player from his amateur days with Waiko Painters and Meralco to becoming the heart and soul of both the storied franchises of Toyota and Barangay Ginebra in the pros has made loyal fans fall in love with him. All of these still resonate to this day. As a varsity, Jaworski played all 4 years under decorated mentor Virgilio Baby de Lupin and led the Red Warriors to a couple of University Athletic Association of the Philippines UAAP men's basketball crowns in the mid-1960s. He would also lead UE to a string of National Open titles that made the Red Warriors the most dominant college team of that period. In 1967, Jaworski bannered the national squad that won the 1967 FIBA Asia Championship gold, which he eventually replicated in the 1973 edition held in front of adoring Filipino fans in Manila. After his amateur exploits, Jaworski entered the PBA, where he established his name as a Philippine sports icon. He joined Toyota in 1973 and was a vital cog in the franchise's 9 PBA championships. After Toyota disbanded, Jaworski transferred to Gilbey's Gin, later called Ginebra San Miguel, in 1984 and became the cornerstone of the team's rise to becoming arguably the most popular PBA team in history. Jaworski led Ginebra to 6 PBA titles in the role of playing coach. He holds the PBA all-time assists record with 5,825. In 1993, the PBA updated its logo featuring his dribbling silhouette. He retired from the game in 1997 and was elected as a senator the following year. As a lawmaker, Jaworski authored and co-authored more than 300 bills. In his speech, Jaworski saw basketball as his avenue to reach out to people. Basketball has always been more than just a game to me. It has been a platform to inspire, to lead, and to connect with people from all walks of life, he said. The never say die spirit that we embraced at the Ginebra is a testament to the resilience and determination that define us as Filipinos. Jaworski's playing days may have been but a distant memory, but his name and his greatness will always be engraved in the hearts of local basketball fans. A true Filipino legend, the greatest of all time. Robert Vincent Salazar Jaworski Sr., born March 8, 1946, also known by his nickname Sonny, Big J, and Juwo, is a Filipino former professional basketball player, head coach and politician who served as a senator of the Philippines from 1998 to 2004. He played 23 seasons in the Philippine Basketball Association. He is widely regarded as one of the best and most popular PBA players of all time. He was named part of the PBA's 40 Greatest Players and was inducted into the PBA Hall of Fame in 2005. Since 1968, Jaworski has been married to Evelyn Revilla, the daughter of actor Raymond Revilla Sr. His coach, Baby DeLupin, was one of the godfathers at their wedding, along with Carlo Loizaga. Jaworski is known to be charitable. He is known for using his money to send relief goods to victims of calamities. Other times, his Ginebra teammates would raise funds. Then he would deliver the donation personally. Jaworski continued to support Ginebra, occasionally watching their games live when Ginebra made the finals. He would sometimes give locker room speeches when Ginebra was down in the first half of finals games. These proved to be effective in motivating the team, such as when Ginebra forced a Game 7 during the 2013-14 Philippine Cup semis. After retirement, Jaworski stayed in shape by playing tennis 3 to 5 times a week and going swimming. In 2021, Robert Jr. revealed that his father was suffering from a rare blood disorder that raised his iron levels while making him anemic at the same time. He had also had contracted pneumonia a year prior. As of 2024, his condition is improving. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.